Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now we assemble this lock box. Okay, just you can see here all creases fold inside. The same crease you fold inside, fold all crease, and this crease you can just fold one opposite, and this crease also inside. Okay, all crease just fold inside. Same other side. And now just you can take this two part corner and just keep here, and this part upside part fold inside, and there have this lock part, just you can push here this lock, and this also two lock here, so this lock. Okay, again same this side, this fold inside, and just you can see here have lock, this lock, and after this two part big part go inside, and this two part outside, and inside push there. See, rock keep upside, and this close.